Alright, we're at Cocoa Beach. I just paid for the parking. It is $5 an hour. It's almost 11 and the girls took the bus, so they beat us. They were dropped off and Abby was looking at Life 360 and it shows they're right over there. Abby's already left me. So I'm hoping when I walk through here I will see the girls. So of course today is the coldest day of our trip. So of course our beach day is the cold day. But hopefully we'll be right over here. Oh my god. The wind. The wind. Huddled under the beach house in a second because there's no way anyone's getting in that water. But we shall see. Here's the Lacrosse team. Pictures of them in their bikinis, so we'll be back later. Alright, so we got here, so the sand is pelting us because of the wind. So the lacrosse team has made the executive decision to leave. So the bus is going to come get them. So we are leaving because the sand is like painful. But I am going to take some couple pictures before we leave.